Hi there, John here with SolidCAM Professor. In this and the coming videos, I'll be talking about and covering the use of SolidCAM's new tool table feature named ToolKit implemented in SolidCAM 2021. Successor to the classic tool table that we're all familiar with, SolidCAM's ToolKit is a new powerful system that provides us with a number of added benefits over the old system. To briefly describe a few of those benefits, ToolKit is a unified tool library system that you'll see is the same for all your CAM part types. It also brings major enhancements in tool definition functionality, especially for turning and mill turn. And it facilitates better tool management at all stages of the tool definition process. One of the first things you'll notice about ToolKit is that it offers 3 new tool library types. I'll briefly describe them now and then cover each of them in more detail in my later videos. While briefly describing them, I'll open example ToolKit tool libraries that I have previously created. First, there is the Tool Components library that enables you to manage all your individual tool components. A defined Tool Components library can contain the tool components that are typically stocked in your machine shop warehouse, such as your cutters, shanks, adapters, and holders. Second, there is the Tool Assemblies library that enables you to manage your tool assemblies. Each tool assembly, which we call a tool item, comprises a combination of tool components, such as the cutter and the tool holding system. A defined Tool Assemblies library can contain your tool items existing in tool storage and prepared for use on any given CNC machine. Third, there is the Machine Tool Setup library that enables you to manage your tool items in the machine environment, according to the VMID of a specific CNC machine. A defined Machine Tool Setup library can contain your tool items and their mounting positions on the CNC machine tool holding devices, such as in the magazine and tool stations of the turrets. From tool components to tool assemblies to the machine tool setup, each tool library type provides us with a graduated level of tool managing capabilities. New and existing ToolKit tool libraries can be created or edited in various ways. For example, we can use the available SolidCAM controls in the SolidWorks environment, such as the Tool Library Manager on the SolidCAM tab of the SolidWorks task pane, or we can use ToolKit standalone to create new or edit existing tool libraries totally independent of our CAD/CAM software. ToolKit standalone is included in the installation of SolidCAM. Each tool library type, as I briefly described, enables you to perform different tasks. Whether creating a new or editing an existing, the tool library selection determines the tool table features and options that will appear in the ToolKit interface, thus making its GUI adaptive to the current tasks. Now, the final level of tool management occurs at the Part Tool library, previously known as the Part Tool table. A defined Part Tool library contains all the tool items available for use in a specific CAM part and enables you to manage them in accordance with the CNC machine chosen for the CAM part definition. The Part Tool library is therefore identical to the Machine Tool Setup library in appearance, features, and options. Now, as with most applications, your use of SolidCAM's ToolKit will depend on your working style. But regardless of your workflow procedure, ToolKit is designed to fulfill all your tool management needs.